Good night to all viewers. Me chef very me like talk. Welcome back to Narapla Jinek cooking show tonight. Tonight by me cooking Jinek chicken and egg omelette. We by me some Jinek eggs 70 grams. But before you go to cooking, me start with the railing. I'm saying supposed to have Jinek. I'm going to talk more on Jinek eggs and Jinek chicken. Railing.
Good night to all viewers. Tonight we will be using 70 grams.
Yes.
70 grams big plus size.
Big plus size?
Yes, okay. 70 grams come in 9 per dozen inside the 1 per carton. Okay. Remember viewers, Jinek chicken is always fresh because it's locally produced here in Papua New Guinea.
That's right.
Okay, Jinek chicken and come in Jinek eggs, sorry, and come in low different sizes. Start low 50, 55, 60 and 65 grams.
Yes. Okay, now Jinek chicken breast play me.
Okay, Jinek chicken breast. Right now it's selling on a good price too. I'm coming 18 plat trays inside the 1 plat carton. Jinek chicken is also locally produced here in Papua New Guinea. Tingim Jinek eggs na chicken and it's fresh all the time because immediately growing inside the country.
Yes, yes. That's why we choose Jinek eggs because power protein and power kai. Viewers, now by me go cooking play me. Okay, first me introduce more ingredients. We got 40 grams butter, 20 grams silver beets, this I'm all common about, 20 grams carrot, we got 20 grams spring onions, 50 grams chicken breast when we cut it finish there. So now by we go to cooking blame me, okay, first, really put the frying pan finish the fire, we made the butter go inside, okay, and butter melt, I made the carrots go inside, okay, really? Now you made the carrots. Okay. Chicken blame it too. Okay, then by me the 2 ply ingredients go inside. Okay. Time slow cook step. By me preparing Jinek omelets blame me now. So I'm also now by some eggs. Okay, broken go inside. 1 egg. Okay, really? 2. 3 Jinek eggs. Okay, this time apply this recipe. Jinek chicken and egg omelette. Okay, now by me turning Jinek eggs, so you mixing one time. Okay, really? You can look him.
Yes.
Okay. Now Jinek chicken, blame me. Time I'm cook stuff with the carrots. You made him silver beets go inside. Okay. You cook him.
Okay.
Now we put in frying pan block cooking Jinek eggs to 1 cup.
Tingim Jinek eggs I'm available all the store nationwide. Suppose you like buy an egg. Tingim Jinek eggs is always fresh because it's locally produced here in Papua New Guinea.
Yes, that's right. Brilliant. Okay, now by me preparing Jinek omelets play me. Okay, me put in butter go inside. Okay, time butter melt some now. By me adding Jinek eggs, blame me go inside. Then by this mix come inside. Okay, really?
I'm close to cook now.
Okay. Now I'm spreading butter around the frying pan. So by me put in Jinek eggs, blame me go inside the frying pan. I'm not stick to frying pan. So by me enjoy Jinek chicken and egg omelets play me. Okay.
You got some narapla way too long. Plenty way long preparing Jinek eggs blame me.
Yes, it's really nice. That way you can work in scrambled eggs, you can work in fried eggs, you can work in pancake way na style with them Jinek eggs. You can usually cook in cakes, some Jinek eggs, and the best. That's why we should choose Jinek eggs and power protein na power kai. Okay, viewers, butter blame melt now. By me adding Jinek omelets blame go inside. Okay. Okay, now you made him with spring onions, blame me. Put him spring onions, blame me with that. Okay. Okay, now by me let him Jinek egg cook with him. Okay, time you cook now, by me him Jinek chicken, blame me with him. So time you cook with him, you add him with him. Pull him on line go inside. So Jinek eggs, whatever by come outside. Now by cook him inside. Okay. You can look him Jinek eggs omelette blame me work cook now.
Jinek chicken breast blame me and cook now.
Okay, I'm ready now.
Yes.
Okay, by putting aside. Time Egg Omelette blame me ready by me. Edim Gonzalo omelette blame. Okay viewers, this is my easy recipe. So starting day below one time Egg eggs okay today. Okay, really you can add him or chicken mix blame me Gonzalo.
Okay, but we capside the all come now.
Yes, spread them all. So chicken mix can spread logata eggs blame me. Passing by be enjoying. Chicken and eggs.
We can smell and smell nice
Yes.
too.
It will smell good through. Okay. This is a recipe you can start in your breakfast. You can even have it your lunch, or you can have it your dinner. Okay, viewers. Now you can look him. Chicken and egg omelets are ready. By me, fold him. Okay. You fold him yourself. Okay. So you walk him. Chicken and egg omelette. Okay, you can look him. I mean, nice recipe where you can cook him your lunch and dinner any time of the day.
Me look or say
Yes.
me go to house, but me must try this
Okay.
recipe.
Okay, now you cook him. You one spoon again, cook him underneath, at top again.
Look nice.
Nice golden color, baby Russian. You can look him Egg omelette. And best because power protein than power cake. Alright viewers, chicken and egg omelette blame I'm ready by me Russian now.
Okay.
Viewers, chicken and egg omelette. So I'm using egg 70 grams. Eggs, power protein, power cake.